Saturday morning, gonna go check out Athens a little bit, just drive around. Not a ton of stuff to do, so it's gonna be a relaxing day. The wind is crazy. Last night I was woken up a couple times, the trailer shaking, thinking somebody was in the trailer walking around, freaked me out. Take off from my spot here. I'm in the 500 loop, which is about midway through the park. And luckily I got the shortest walk to the dumpsters. Not too close, but just close enough. We're gonna head on back to the back loop, which would have been awesome. I would have taken a back-end spot back here. It's the farthest back. You'll probably have the least amount of traffic. Hey, while we're taking a tour through this campground, if you don't mind, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. And hit the like button too. I mean, if you want to, I'd appreciate it. Can you imagine how cool this would look during the summer? All these trees leafed out and the grass is green. This would be really pretty. I'm more of a fan of boondocking out in the middle of nowhere, but man, as far as RV parks go, this looks like it's pretty nice. I'm not a connoisseur of RV parks, obviously. Then we're heading back to kind of where we started, up by those blue dumpsters. We're going to turn here and go across the paved street to the big loop. Right there you can see that's where you do your laundry. You got 4 or 5 machines in there, does a good job. Then you got a lake over here. You can fish from any of their ponds for free. You don't need a license as long as it's catch and release. This loop goes ways back here. And here you can see their biggest pond. There's one of their tiny houses. And you can see some in the background over there too. Those tiny houses look cool. It'd be fun to stay in one of those and check it out. And we're coming back over to where we started again. My trailer is like the 3rd one in, right across from you. And there's the 2 little schoolhouses. And here are some spots over on the left side, and some tiny houses over here on the right side. All you have to do is drop your propane tank over there, put your site number on it, and they'll bring it back to you and charge your site. It's pretty good. There's the big red schoolhouse, and here's the office right here on the left. And they're really good about packages too. Amazon delivers packages and then you just get a text saying you have a package. My apologies for not getting this tour done a little bit sooner, but it finally got done. Alright, well, thanks for watching. I appreciate it, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.